Ty with WTI, and I am drinking out of my Cardinal straight-sided double old-fashioned glasses. My favorite thing about these glasses is their timeless design and practicality. This set of 12 glasses, each with a 14-ounce capacity, brings a classic touch to my glassware collection. I love the straight-sided design. I think it not only adds a sleek and sophisticated look, but also makes these glasses versatile for various beverages. So I use them for all my beverages, whether it's orange juice, water, or smoothies. The clear glass construction allows the colors of the beverages to shine through, which enhances the visual appeal of each drink. The 14-ounce size is perfect for serving generous portions without compromising on style. And with a set of 12, these glasses are ideal for hosting gatherings or simply elevating everyday dining experiences. So if you're looking for glasses that combine timeless design with practicality, this set is an excellent choice. And that's my point of view.